everyone! So for today's video, I will be vlogging my day, and I'm planning to film a Shopee haul plus a makeup look video later. That's why I prepared my makeup already. But before I do that, I need to work out.
Ready to get started.
Okay, I'm done with my workout for today. If you're a fan of apple juice, you're gonna love this. But personally, kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig sa apple juice. And I think I'm just gonna give this to my sister. I really like the chia seeds in here. Like, I really love the texture. But other than that, I'm just not a fan of apple juice. If I were to recommend something from Hello Glow, definitely their coffee mix, yung Fit to Glow coffee mix nila. I love these. I keep them here so that no one can drink them. Like yung whole box, I think ako lang yung uminom nun.
5,000 miles, and how did I end up here? Like, he's one of those people where you feel like in the beginning of the conversation, you go in like, I got control. And to do love my early life, and with all that.
Before I film, I just want to show you a quick haul. I got some products yesterday from Shein and also LYKA Cosmetics because I'm gonna be doing a video for them very soon. I think it's gonna go up before I post this vlog anyway. So first is the toner essence, the moisturizer, and the multi-mist. I'm gonna link them down below kasi alam ko parang they have a promo or like a kit where you can get all three of these, and I already tried the moisturizer yesterday and I love it so far. These are the three products from their Flower Power line. And yung moisturizer nga na-try ko na, toner essence, and their multi-mist, which I'm so excited about. Ito yung pinaka-excited ako na product, but I haven't tried it yet. I just wanted to show you first on a video. And this one I tried na kasi wala na akong moisturizer, so I just wanted to use that. I also have their Ilana DD plus CC cream. And I also have their powders. I have the Radiant powder. It has SPF 16. Okay, I just noticed that now. And also their Flower Power powder face. Oh my gosh, what? I'm surprised. Okay, so this is the Flower Power powder face cleanser. It's a face cleanser. Wait, sorry, yung camera ko hindi siya nag-focus properly. They also gave me yung containers for the powder, so I'm gonna transfer it here. So, ayan. I really like their packaging. Ito yung na-notice ko before pa from Ilana, and I know people rave about this from them, is that you can just buy the container separately, tapos pwede mo na lang siya i-refill kasi their products come in these packs. Since they gave me a powder, I guess they gave me this brush. Really perfect for your bag if you're gonna go out. I just noticed this right now, pero it says Ilana Mineral Cosmetics on top of the brush, which is so cute. But thank you so much to Ilana Mineral Cosmetics for sending me their products. I'm excited to try them out. For sure, I'm gonna use all of them, and I'm gonna let you know if I like them or not. But so far, yung moisturizer nila maganda. I also wanted to show you this one. This is the Teviant Mademoiselle eyeshadow palette. And this one I bought with my own money kasi they were on sale for like 50% off. And yung sad thing dito is that I think yung manufacturing date is 2018 pa. So I guess that's why they were selling it. And the palette looks like this. I really love the packaging. It's rose gold. Tapos, ayan, may mga leaf designs pa. These are the colors. They look so nice. Meron nga pala akong parang Shein haul na papakita sa inyo. Pero, I just got like 3 items. I got this top. I'm gonna do a separate video on my Shein favorites. But, ayan, it's this purple, like, corset looking top. Pero, it's not a corset. Ayan lang siya. I really love it. Especially yung parang triangle design sa bottom. Kasi I feel like this shows your curves better. And also, I have this top, which I can't hang kasi it's one shoulder lang. It looks like this. And I tried it on already and I love it. It's kind of too short on me. But I feel like with what I'm wearing right now, my sweatpants or joggers from Shopee, it would look really nice. Actually, it would look really nice. Oh my gosh. Because of the color, it's like earth tones. Oh my gosh. I love that. I didn't plan that, but for sure, ito yung iteturn ako. Okay, so I filmed the try-on portions now. That's why I'm wearing a different top. Was I wearing something else? Yes, I was wearing something else a while ago. And I can't figure out what background to use since I did rearrange my room. Gusto ko sana maging background yung clothes, but I didn't realize my chair was too short. So medyo hindi nyo kita yung top. But if I adjust it like that, it just looks weird. Like, it just looks weird like that. I don't know. Okay, I'm wearing my filming glasses. I got this from Filmora. Every time I wear this, marami nagtatanong kung saan ko to nakuha. I got this 2016 when I first started my YouTube channel. I think they were one of the first brands to email me and they sent me these glasses. To be honest, I don't think this is my grade anymore. So, I still wear them when I film. Tapos after, I'm gonna have a huge headache, migraine. So, okay lang yan. Sanay na ako. I know it's bad, but I just do it for YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna film. I just like this kasi gas-gas na yung Sony's specs ko. Like, halata sa camera pag suot ko siya. So, I don't want to wear it when I film, like, sit-down videos. Oh my gosh, I also changed my top again because wala lang. I just wanted to wear something different. And I think I'm gonna film my Shopee haul now. So, sneak peek of the things I'm gonna be showing. So, okay, I can feel my headache. Gonna change my glasses back to the normal one. I am done filming. I really enjoyed that. I feel like it's been so long since I filmed the Shopee haul and I don't know, I just feel excited whenever I film Shopee hauls. And do you see it? There's like a difference when I wear this glasses and the other one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna rest for now. It is currently 4:30, almost 4:30 p.m. 4:24 to be exact. I'm so surprised. I'm just using it lightly and natatanggal agad siya. So fast. Even if it's so small, I feel like it took all of my makeup. But then again, light makeup lang naman yung meron ako today. So I feel like 2 is enough. Like, yung both sides. If you're a makeup wearer, I don't recommend using wipes all the time to remove your makeup. Better if you use a cleansing balm. But I wanted to try this out, or kapag lazy kayo, I highly recommend this. I'm gonna link it down below. 200 pesos for 30 pads. I feel like that isn't bad na considering it removes your makeup, and I feel like it's so gentle on your face. Now I'm gonna wash my face. I'll be using this cleanser. This is from Answer From. It looks like that. The only thing I do like about this is that you have to remove the whole cap. Usually gusto ko yung ganito. This is from Hello Glow, another one of my favorite cleansers. Yung ganito lang. yung ino-open tapos ko-close mo ganyan. Hopefully, they come out with a cleanser packaging like that. Pero other than that, okay yung cleanser na to. I'm gonna remove my glasses. Okay, so final thoughts. I love the makeup pads because I feel like it's oil-based kasi natanggal yung mascara ko. Tapos konting cleanser na lang natanggal na lalo yung mascara. So that's enough. Usually kasi I have to use a cleansing balm pa. And minsan masakit sa mata if you use a cleansing balm on your eyes. I don't know. I use the Clean It Zero cleansing balm. And sometimes it makes my eyes blurry. It hurts my eyes. And I don't know if that's normal. And also the cleanser, I love it. Perfect for dry skin nga, like I said in my previous haul video. And yeah, I guess that's my mini skincare review. By the way, my mom and my sisters and I opened a shop on Shopee. Brand new shoes yung binibenta namin. Cause if you didn't know, nag-close down yung store namin beginning of quarantine because we couldn't afford rent anymore, so we decided to go to Shopee. So yun, that's why nag-transfer ng schools yung siblings ko and all that because we closed down our stores, and now we're going back sa Shopee naman para alam ko puro online na yung bumibili ngayon ever since lockdown started. So yeah. That's what I've been doing a while ago, fixing up our post because we just posted last week. And I'm gonna link it down below if you're interested. For now, we just have like from our stocks before, so I don't know if interested kayo sa mga items namin, but for sure, we're gonna come out with more items once we earn a bit more. So, yeah, I'm gonna try and do a separate video on our items because, syempre, I wanna help my mom earn again. So, yeah, okay, I'm just sorry. Ang dami kong sinasabi, pero I just wanna make kwento. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys later or some other time. I'll see how long this video will be.